Welcome back to the channel. I did want to let you know that this is not going to have any talking in the video. I am doing a voiceover, so here we go. Okay, so I'm starting off with some Anastasia Dip Brow. I am in the shade Ebony. They do have a shade darker than this one. I do not know what brush I'm using, so it's either a 12 or a 7. The letters did wear off on the brush. You want to focus on the bottom of your eyebrow so you could create kind of a guide. Do not start at the beginning of your eyebrow. After that, you do want to start at the top of your eyebrow, kind of to create your arch. You want to make sure that you make it as high as you want. This is going to be all on you on how high you want your arch. Make sure you do not use a lot of product. A little product does go a long way. So make sure that in between of adding product, you are using your spoolie. The spoolie will actually drag a little bit of the product towards all your brow. Also, it does help remove some of the product. So if it is a little bit too dark, you want to use your spoolie to kind of fade a little bit of the product. So you're going to want to focus on making sure that you don't put too much product. Like I said, the less the better. But obviously if you do have more of a bushy eyebrow, you do want to add a little bit more product. We are still filling in the eyebrow right now. So I'm focusing more on my arch and the tail. If you feel like your tail isn't sharp at the end, it's okay, because whenever you clean it up with your concealer, you'll be able to drag out the tail, making it look more sharper. I yet have not touched the beginning of my eyebrow. I am kind of focusing more towards the end, like I said. So now I'm slowly gonna start working towards the beginning of my eyebrow. I kind of make sure to wipe off as much product as I can and start by creating kind of like baby hair. So you want to be really light-handed when you start doing this. Make sure your brush is really clean. If you do add product, make sure you wipe it to where your brush looks straight. So you want to make sure that the bristles are standing up straight. So by doing this, you will be able to create a better detailed baby hair at the front of your eyebrow. If you pinch the brush with your index finger and your thumb, you'll be able to get that straight line effect. So right now, I'm just going to continue to trace my arch line as well as the line underneath my eyebrow, and just continue to kind of add or remove product by adding more product or brushing it with the spoolie. At this point, I am going to go ahead and move on to my next eyebrow by repeating the same steps. Right now I am going to do my outlines and then fill it in. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the video. That way you guys can see a little bit more of the details, as well as the most important part to me, which is creating the baby hairs in the front of your eyebrows. So this is an example where I do want to show you guys that if you're having a little bit of a problem with your arch, you can go ahead and pull your skin exactly where my finger is. I'm pulling my skin up a little bit. That way I could kind of create an illusion of how my eyebrow would look if I would to outline it that high or make my arch that high. So it helps a lot by doing that. I know it's a little weird, but it does help. So it's a little trick for you guys. Now I'm going to be cleaning the top part of my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the same brush from Michaels, except I have wiped the concealer that I used. Now I am using my foundation. I always like to use my foundation on the top part of my eyebrows only because it will blend in better. I prefer for it to blend in. I do know a lot of females like to use the bright concealer as well on the top part of their eyebrows because it looks a little bit more carved out. I don't like that. I do like my eyebrows to look more natural. Reason why I decided to go ahead and move forward with just foundation. Lastly, I am going to be using a Morphe brush. You don't have to use a brush, but I like to use this brush just to kind of blend everything in together, drag the concealer down from underneath my eyebrows, and blend in my foundation on the top part of my eyebrows. You could also use a beauty blender, or even if you want, you could even go in there with your fingers. It's really optional and what you think helps blend in the product into your skin better, but I prefer to use the brush. Yes, we are finally done, ladies. Now we are going to apply this clear mascara gel. I like to use this specifically for my eyebrows because it's clear. It does not add any color to it. You can use the eyebrow gels that they have, but those ones do have tint, so they're going to be making your eyebrows a little bit darker, which I do not like. You're just gonna use the gel to make sure all the hairs are facing the same way. I like to brush the beginning of my eyebrow hairs facing up just because it makes it look more natural. That's my preference. You do not have to do this, but that is it, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna just grab the spoolie one more time, making sure that the gel is spread evenly through my eyebrows and making sure that the hairs are all facing the way I want them to be. This is the way your eyebrows are going to be drying. Just a little reminder, this is the way I do my eyebrows. You don't have to do your eyebrows like this. Just try to find a way that makes you feel comfortable and works best for you. Just know that this is how I do mine. You don't have to do it, but there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned a little something. If you have any questions, please drop some comments down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications by hitting the little bell button on the screen. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, ladies. Bye.